Remember this video of Raila's helicopter being stoned? You see, nobody is trying to distract. Nobody is trying to de-escalate the situation. They're all shouting and hyping it up. Yet you don't know who sent them. Boss, usitumiwe vibaya. We need more peacekeepers. If you see something like this going on, distract the scene, de-escalate the situation. Usipige, achana nae. You never know. You could avoid a national disaster. This message is brought to you by Simba SOS Button app. We keep our communities safe. Download today or check us out on YouTube at Simba SOS Button for more videos.